Hello guys from Iacopelli, welcome back to my channel. Today is gonna be a very interesting video like always. If you have time and you are new, please take a time and subscribe right there. And leave a thumbs up for a like and supporting this channel. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to show you my pizza classes, and then also of course they're gonna be available online every Tuesdays, live streaming. So this is just a quick video to show you what we do and how the guests here, they will learn how to make pizza from the scratch. Hope you enjoy this video. Please guys, at the end of this video, thumbs up and share, and of course comment below if you have any question, if you have a suggestion about the new videos. Enjoy from Iacopelli, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you. Okay, today we're gonna learn how to make the pizza for the house. We can start. So let's 4. We are a lot of people here. 4 and 3. So it will be 1, 2, 3, and 4 this side. 1, 2, and 3 this side. Chad, Vito, Mario. Hello. We are friends. René. Daniele. Nancy. Bob. Ron. Yeah. Pizza fan. Yeah. Check out my YouTube channel. Yeah. To make 4 pizza because home it's good for 4 dough. So if you want to make
cold, the less the yeast we put.
Now it's cold, so we put more yeast, but not too much. Double zero flour if you can. Yeah, now we're gonna start to mix it up. Go like this from the back, from the sides. We can put it on the marble and start to work the dough by hand. That's it. Now we're gonna let it rest to make the dough resting a little bit and create the gluten a little bit more strong. We can wash our hands now and talk a little bit about the dough. The dough in 4. No, it's not too sticky. If you are fast, it's not too sticky. Okay, got it? Fast. Your hand. You hold it with your left hand, then go. No, stop. See, then you're gonna go back, you're gonna get it off. Amazing. Applause. Applause. Yeah, beautiful.
This is really good.
Go. One shot. That's good. Non avere paura, vai. Sempre la palla, sempre verso sopra. Bravo, ok. Ora vai, allargalo. Crispy. Finish this pizza school, how was it? Great. Fantastic. You guys did a really great job. Practice and practice, and you're going to make the best pizza. And of course, follow my YouTube channel and subscribe to make better pizza. Correct? Not a damn chance. Ciao a tutti.